In front of me is Oppo A5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock, hit Screen Lock and tap on one of those locking methods. Like pattern. Wait 5 seconds and choose Next in the pop-up. If you change your mind, tap on Use a different password type and pick one of those. Then create it, repeat it to confirm it, and decide if you wish to add your fingerprint right away by picking one of those options in the pop-up. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!